Good morning everybody, and today I'm going to show it to you a little bit how I fold my towels in a way that looks really nice to organize in the closet, and plus you can use also as decoration for your guest room in your house. So let's move here one of these towels, and I'm going to show it to you how I fold. And here the towel, like you see, is folded in half. And now we are going to start doing the folding. The first thing you do is like you fold like half of the towel in, and usually I start with the portion that has no design, like the lines, and then you go and you fold the other half in on the top of this, and this is the way it looks. And you turn around, and I fold this portion to make look even, and then you start rolling the towel. Okay, look, and this here we got to the final, and then you see this folding, and you're going to use these two pieces that is left and fold inside. And as you see, that's the final product. It looks really nice, and for organizing the clothes, and they do not unfold. It's really nice. So now I'm going to do one more just to make sure that you guys get what I'm saying. And again, we are going to fold one side in, and usually, like I said, the side that do not have the design goes in first, and then this, hold on, let me make sure that will do just perfect. Okay, so half in and the other half in, and turn around, and then usually I even this portion, and then you start rolling the towel again. And here in the end you have these two pieces that you just fold in to complete the look. And this is what they look like, everybody. Isn't that beautiful? And you can put it in your guest room, or you can just put in the closet like this. You can put in a basket. You can do anything you want. So now I am going to put this aside. Okay, here I have the towel. It's a little bit wrinkled because it was folded, and you can see here the towel is folded in half. And what you're going to do is put this against your chest, and then you're going to use your both hands and roll the towel as tight as you can. And as you see here, we are going to make some beautiful swans with the towel. So was like this, and then we turn around, and as you see, it's red, becoming the format of a swan. And I will move this to the left side, because we are going to leave this here and do the second towel. And again, you make sure it's folded in a half, so you can have a base where you're going to start doing. And then you take this and put against your chest, and you start folding, rolling both sides with both hands at the same time, and doing as tight as you can, as best as you can. So here you can see we have the towel folded, and we'll turn around, and here we are going to make put the two swans together. To format like a heart. Okay, so here we have the two swans, and then to make look really nice, you know, what you can do, you can use some petals, rose petals like that you can buy at Walmart or any place like this, and you can throw the rose petals all over the swan's tails and around them. This will be really nice for a special occasion, or you know, even if you have someone visiting. Like for myself, I like to see my house looking like this all the time, so I try to learn things. It's easy for me to see and do things, so I usually keep things done like this all the time, and looks really nice. Look how luxurious these two swans look in the bed. And you know, hope you guys like this video, and if you like, please give me thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to help me so I can grow my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell to receive notifications of my new weekly videos. Thank you so much for your support and for watching my video, and a big kiss in your heart. See you next video.